What's up, everyone? It's time again for a weekly watch list. What this is, I give you my exact levels and my exact game plan for the upcoming week, the trades I'm personally watching to set up. But before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this. Pay very close attention to this. It's a little bit different than what you're used to if you've been following me for a while. I have some possible swing trade entries. So, some day trades, some swing trades. Pay close attention. Okay, SPY. This is my go-to. I have been trading individual stocks more, but I prefer to trade SPY when the setup's right. You can see we have this formation here. We formed trend lines. What I want to see on SPY for a possible swing trade, then I'll give you my day trade level. We pull back to this trend. I'm going to be watching for a candle like we see here, a possible reversal candle. The next day, when it opens, I'll be looking to enter long with calls, putting my stop loss below this candle here. Trades like this, you don't want to be selling 20-30% profit. You want to let them run, do their thing. For instance, on this trade, my first price target would have been here. So 440.4 to 440.3. Next target would have been at that 450 area, which was the next big resistance I could point out. Just to give you a little idea of what I'm looking for. I like to catch big moves when I take swing trades. When I'm day trading, scalping, 20, 30, 40% trades is perfect. When I'm swing trading, I want 50% plus, okay? That way, if we miss a few, we're not blowing their accounts because we're letting the winners run nice, right? If that makes sense. So now let's talk about the day trades I see here. I like above 451.36 for calls. If we don't get this pullback, we continue on up. Once we break this, I'll be looking for a day trade to the upside calls. Honestly, I don't see a whole lot of resistance until this 457 area. And when we break above that, we have another big space to fill. So there's a lot of room above that. But we did hit this resistance, so back off some. We'll see what the market looks like tomorrow to kind of judge which level is closer. So this is my updated SPX support resistance levels. For those that are new to my channel, you can trade futures ES or you can trade SPY options based off these levels. And you can trade futures ES levels based off my SPY levels as well. I just want to point that out. But how I use these SPX levels, one, sometimes I take a trade based off them, or two, I let it guide my SPY and my ES trades. So I never like to buy SPY calls or go long on ES below resistance on SPX, okay? I never like to go short on ES or buy SPY puts above a big support on SPX. It tends to hit it, bounce, and bounce just enough to stop you out a lot of times. So just wait, be aware where your levels are, be patient, let the trade come to you, right? Just be prepared, have an exact game plan. Now, let's move on to some individual setups that I really like for the upcoming week. Okay, so let's talk about coin. Let's talk about crypto stocks in general. They've been having a nice move. They've been the stocks in play, right? So what I want to look for, yes, we have a possible bounce area down here around this 90 area. If it pulls back that far, could look for calls in that area. We'll see how it plays out. But I like it above this 116.3. That's a big resistance. And above that, we have some serious room to the upside. So I know it's a breakout trade, but you can always wait on that retest where it pulls back, retest that area before entering. Or if you do take breakout trades, just be sure you know how to manage them. Personally, I like to watch level two when I'm trading breakout trades. I like to see the bids get above that level before entering. A lot of times you'll have the ask above it, the bids below it. That's not a confirmed breakout, okay? Just a little tip there. Now, for my next individual, another crypto stock, Mara, ticker MARA. Honestly, I like it above this 20 area for calls. We can hold that. Again, we have room to the upside. We can go back let's go to the weekly. I want to show you all something. Not too long ago, we was at 83. As you can see here, we have an all-time high of 83.4. And if crypto starts pumping again, the crypto winter is over. Not saying I'm up on crypto in any way. My long-term crypto portfolio down a lot. So I know we're in a crypto winter right now. If we come out of it, crypto starts moving good. Mara coin, that's going to be the stock to watch. This could possibly be an early entry. Yes, it is risky, but I like taking calculated risks, right? That's where I've made most of my money. I guess the majority of my money taking calculated risk. I don't mind risk. Be sure you're using money that you can live without anytime you do this. Don't take away from, eating or paying your monthly bills. I always recommend to everyone to have like a good emergency fund before you even start trading. Don't take away from that to trade. Have you 6 months to a year's worth of money saved up for, emergencies. Keep your 9 to 5 until you have enough income to replace that and then some, right? But that's all I'm watching. Simple trades, very simple levels. Hope you all like me including possible swings in these. If you do, run it up, share it. Let's have a good week. I hope you all have an amazing week trading and just an amazing week overall. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.